Hello and welcome back. Now these pictures you are looking at is of a 1966 Crayford Mini, and this is the condition that it's been left in when it was abandoned in 1979. But it has gone through a miraculous transformation and is now looking as good as new, although I very much doubt whether very many of the panels are actually original. Possibly the number plate is about the only original thing about the car, but have a look at this video that I shot of the car after it's been restored. It's quite amazing. Now this car is a very rare car indeed, as it is believed to be one of only 14 Crayford Minis that is still in existence. Now, as I said, this car was abandoned in 1979 until it was discovered on eBay for sale, and it was rescued in 2016, and then of course lovingly restored to how we see it today. Now this Mini was restored by a company called Department 75, and I have to say they've made an amazing job of it. When you look round, it's like it's just left the showroom. Well now, that is a really impressive piece of restoration there. And if you like looking at classic cars, maybe you'd like to subscribe to my channel, and maybe I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.